Another matter day. Tori day. Now what be the Tori? That girl where they call say that woman where they call say Clarence Yongo. We get a platform, a media platform where they call her say Griot. What happen with ye? Clarence Yongo, no be that he don't go Yaounde for go knock Tori for some seminar. He don't present, he talk for the team pass fine. As the team pass for the way the team pass, he return back now for Douala. What happen? Countryman, before I want to tell you what happen, more congratulate Griot because they don't get plenty prizes. 3 prize where they don't get best talent Cameroon. They get that Martinez Ogui prize, and they get some other one way. I don't know how they call it for strong grammar, but if you see I'm not gonna know. They say they call it say pre-Sinasius 2025. So say congratulations for you. And then they be specialized for woman matter. Any story will concern woman, Griot, it did it. But the question what we ask and I say, what the Griot if you don't do? So they go to some place where they can't break the office, thief a laptop them. And then, unfortunately for the thief people where they come, or the thief man where he can't break the door for office for Griot for Aqua, yeah? Camera be there. Camera snap all your movement. If the one broke door for go enter office for Griot, he come up back, he answer call, he enter go broker, he enter inside, charge them, to come back, call. Or they call you the explainer for them. It shows say now some people then they don't surely send me for mission. Now they think that because even though in a mission, like for the enter for go take computer, laptop them, he see microphone, he leave them, he see the one he leave them, he find a phone, he check out for inside, he go for laptop, check and first, and then come over outside, talk for phone, enter back, talk for phone, plenty time. As I tell you now, so countrywoman, the matter they for Janjameri their hand. They for Janjameri their hand now, so, and then, all I want to know if you advise Clarence Yongo, say me go for police. Me go to for police, for judicial police, so that me the inquiry go before fast, for know exactly who they behind this thing. Maybe not the first time. He complained, say, some few months back, for his house, they become boss ceiling, they no thief, no nothing. This time around, they can't broke door for your office, they take 2 laptops, they think they be there with the 50 farm, they not thief farm. So it shows say, now some people the way surely they follow it. But now gendarme, when a judicial police don't put on for day, now they go tell you exactly what the pass with that matter. Whether they go feed make out the person waiting for that video because it been for night, so that may the point for you, may explain for people them what happen and why they can't broke office, why they go broke house for Clarence, why they threaten me seriously. Because the matter don't pass place. Plenty people they call question. He must go for court, he must court book for court against X. Because it be very important. Man no know before the thing will happen, figure happen. So if I say may enter for quick action.